How to turn on Android Auto on your phone. But first, let us not forget the prerequisite. If your phone is running Android 10 or higher, Android Auto is integrated into the operating system. You usually don't need to download a separate Android Auto app from the Google Play Store. If your phone is running Android 9 or lower, you might need to download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store. Then, how to connect your car? First, through USB connection. Park your vehicle, plug a high-quality USB cable into your car's USB data. Follow the on-screen prompts on both your phone and your car's display. You may need to grant permissions, accept terms, or update Android Auto. Second, through wireless connection. Park your vehicle. Ensure your car's system is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Consult your car's manual for specific instructions. On your phone, go to Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Once paired, Android Auto should start automatically. If not, tap the Android Auto icon on your car's touch screen.